Hello, you're welcome to Digital Stream tutorial. My name is Christian from Digital Stream. In this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about decrement and increments in PHP. Increment and decrement operators. Let me just type it here. Increments and decrement operators in PHP. Alright, so the increments and decrement operators in PHP can actually be used to increase or decrease any value in PHP. So let's say, for example, x is equals to 7 and then y is equals to 9. So if I say echo plus plus dollar sign x, so this is a post, this is a pre-increment, meaning increase x before you echo it out. So it's actually just going to add 1 to x, which is going to be equals to 4. So I want to say let me just say, okay, let's just echo this out and then head back to our browser and then refresh. So you now have x is equals to 8 instead of 7. Why? Because we added a pre-increment. So this is actually called pre-increment and post-increment. So the next thing we actually want to do is to take away this x from here, and then the plus plus from there, and add it x plus 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 plus. So if I should save this and then head back to my browser and refresh, we are still going to have x. We're still going to have x, which equals to 7. So x is going to be 7, but if I'm to echo out 8 x again, x is then going to be echo dollar sign x. So echoing x the second time is going to increase x by 1. So this is actually the post increment, meaning the next time x runs, increase x by 1. Alright, so let's just go head back to our browser and then refresh. So this is x again. X is now equals to 8. So I just want to append down there, let me just say PHP HTML break tag. I just want to concatenate it, concatenate break, and then the next one I just want to say a string inside there. I want to say this is x increased by 1. Alright, so yeah, I just put full stop x just to make it look a bit lively. Alright, refresh. Alright, so this was x the first time, so this is x increased by 1, so you now have 8. Okay, so you can actually say x minus minus instead of x plus plus. So x minus minus. So the next time x runs, so first of all x is going to run equals to 7. So the next time x runs is going to be x minus 1, which is equals to 6. So let me just save this. Refresh. So x ran the first time equals to 7. Then the second time x ran was actually decreased by 1. Okay. So the same thing you can also do something like right here. So in the pre-increment increment or decrement function, you can actually use minus minus. So it's going to minus x by 1, and then let me wipe this out first and echo only this. So it's going to minus x by 1 and then give you x. So if x equals to 7, it's going to minus 1 and then give you the result 6. So x is now going to be 6. So let me just append a string that says this is the result of x minus 1. Okay, so out here I'll just append the full stop to actually echo out x. Okay, and refresh. So this is the result of x minus 1. So x is actually equals to 7, but minus 1 will actually give you 6. So you can also use the same you can use the same in plus plus, or you can use it from in minus minus. So whichever way you actually want to use, you want to use it in the post increment or in the pre-increment. So remember, this is actually the pre-increment, but if it's at the front of the x, it's actually the post increment, meaning the next time the x runs again is actually going to increase it or decrease it depending on the operators you actually use down you actually use down here. Okay, so that is it about the post increment and the pre increment in PHP operator. So thank you for sticking around in this very tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to encourage me to do more programming tutorials. See you in the next tutorial.